Many gene therapies for ALS focus on the inherited forms of the disease, targeting specific genetic mutations. The focus of the SNUG01 investigational treatment is different. Its approach is designed to benefit people with sporadic ALS, which accounts for over 90% of all cases, by targeting underlying mechanisms of nerve cell degeneration rather than a specific mutation. This therapy could have a broader impact. The primary goal of the SNUG01 therapy is to introduce a healthy, functional copy of the TRIM72 gene into nerve cells. This gene provides the instructions for making a protein that acts as a cellular repair specialist. The therapy is delivered to the nerve cells through a harmless, modified virus called a viral vector during one injection into the spinal canal. A TRIM72 gene then instructs motor neurons, the very cells targeted by ALS, to produce a protein that offers neuroprotective benefits, which are properties that help prevent the degeneration and death of these cells. Preclinical research suggests this protein may offer broad protection to nerve cells by fighting inflammation and oxidative stress, mending damaged membranes, and helping cells restore their energy production. Early data from investigator-led studies in China showed that SNUG01 was well tolerated and provided preliminary signs of stabilizing disease progression. These initial findings are promising and a stepping stone to the larger, more rigorous clinical trial now underway. The FDA granted clearance for this subsequent, multi-regional trial in March 2025, and China's NMPA followed in August 2025. This joint clearance allows for a Phase 1/2A trial, which will assess the therapy's safety, determine an optimal dosage, and formally assess for early signs of effectiveness. The trial will take place at several locations in both countries. Confirmed locations include Massachusetts General Hospital in the U.S. and prominent medical facilities in China. The study's estimated start date is December 1, 2025. In recognition of the need for new ALS treatments, the FDA has also designated SNUG01 as an orphan drug. This status provides incentives to the developers and helps to streamline the approval process, underscoring the urgency and importance of this research. For the ALS community, this news represents a meaningful step forward in the search for effective therapies. For more in-depth information on this research, please feel free to take a look at the links left for reference in the video description.